How to turn off Safe Search mode on Safari. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Safari on your device, and now in the search bar, search for google.com. Here, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for Safe Search. Go ahead and tap on the Safe Search option you see there, and further, make sure the off radio button is enabled, and if not, then select the off radio button, and with this, Safe Search mode on Safari will be disabled. So this was about how you can turn off Safe Search mode on Safari. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.